Funny Bone Live Abuja. Responsible.
I left school 2010. And since where we graduate, nobody where I follow goes who don't ever buy my table before. Now, my set, they never really make them. But now this year, I ain't one of them. Buy table, pay me the full money. And I'm my roommate for uni. But, no, what? Before you clap, wait, you never clap. Don't go clap for nonsense for ending. So I'm my roommate. And me, I did theater at Hindu medicine. We're roommates in the year. T.I., just stand, make the clap. Just stand. Now, doctor. Yeah. So, when we dey school, I tell and say, God no go gree. Make I ever sick. Call him. As I say, waiting they sick me. You can be theater artist. I pass and they read book for school. You know, they enter class. But he no book. Finally, he don't finish school now. He dey work for UN. Big boy. He dey Botswana. He fly come for this show. He fly come. Just won't prove me wrong. Say he don't make him like me. Hold on, I never clap. So last week, Belekon they pain me. I say, this is when don't make him. Maybe I feel ask him about my health now. Maybe success don't depress in playfulness. I say, Tia, Bele they pay me. He can't say where they pay you. I say now towards my lower abdomen and to my right. He say, funny. You sure so you never get fibroid? I say, Timothy, fibroid again. So you never change for this your play. But guys, make some noise, my good friend Timothy. Yeah. The first University of Just graduate to buy table for my shows. Yeah. I say you, bro. Next year you will sit down here. I will do table for you here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the last time I did a show here, 2019, I went on a break, if you noticed. And I stopped doing comedy for a while. So my last show here was the last show my mother attended. She was right here on this table. So if you notice, it's where they perform. If you observe, I never look here. They take me back to where I don't want to go back to. Yeah, so I took a break, and I came back again. And I'm back, and I'm standing. Yeah. Thank you. But in this hall today, there's a saying that good, they bring good. Bad, they bring bad. As a young boy, all I had was the microphone, my talent, and my guts. You know the thief? I never do anything before with the illegal. All the money I don't make for my life, microphone, now give me the money. But before then, I was in school then, Unijos, my year one, and I cracked jokes. And somebody saw me and liked me. You know, he just took interest, just say, this boy, I like you. And he didn't give me a number. He said, whenever you're in Abuja, call me. I will put you on a scholarship. I will see you through university. I like your drive. And then I want you in I get. When I don't want to see me when I never get money, I know good. I know good. You understand? So this guy put me on scholarship till my final year. And today he's here seated. And he still buy table support. I said, no, buy. He said, no, I will still support you. Listen, you know, go like I say I do one. But I guys do one. You know, my family know they for thank him. Because the family, they have a brag. And I'm a Pekin. See my real father here. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Mr. Henry Wanwoba. Sir, please stand up, please. Sir, please stand. Please stand up. 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 Can we clap for this man? This man saw me through university. Right? I know wait to make you die before I talk about. Because now, for this country, now when you die, once you die, your followers go from 400 to 2 million. Moyo Lawal, as of last week, had 500 followers. Sex tape dropped last night. This morning, she did 5 million. Who they follow him? Who they follow him? Look me, who they follow him? Swear say you know they follow him.
Funny Bone Live. Responsible.